how much gas is. How much is the gas in your area? We're just curious. We're at 453. Now, I get a lot of comments on here. We have 40 some odd acres, so we have over 280 some odd pre-owned, several hundred used as well. But sometimes when I record, it looks like we're empty. We're not. We have transport trucks coming 24/7. So if you have any questions about any of these vehicles, please message us here on Facebook. 501-361-3803. Thank you, Hanson and Atkins, because they're always rolling us out some new vehicles. And when we get done, we'll go over there and look at that 392 Wrangler. Very excited about that. It's a beautiful day out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We got tons of sales associates, consultants here ready to help you answer any questions that you might have. Again, 7800 Alcoa Road, Benton, Arkansas. Right off the interstate. Let us know where you're watching from. Hey, Randy. I think it's working today. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Thank you, Hanson Atkins. What's your favorite feature on your vehicle today? Do you have a heated seats? You don't need them today. Do you have cooled and ventilated seats? You might need them today. Let us know where you're watching from. Thank you so much, Facebook, for pushing our videos out to California. I lost you there. Oh, sorry. We had interference there. Out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all leave in the comments how much is gas, premium gas, or regular, where you're located. And let us know where you're watching from. Got a lot of New York, Texas. Love y'all. California. Yes. New Jersey. Yes. Awesome. It is a beautiful day out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We're buying vehicles as well. We have 24-hour support. Deliver. Hey, Oscar, thank you so much for joining us today. Looks like it's working. Yay. We had technical difficulties yesterday. It happens. Hey, Juan, let us know where you're watching from today. What are the gas prices where you're at? We had Long Beach, was it Lake Tahoe in California? They were saying it's like $6.80. Someone got on here and said it was like $10. Goodness gracious. Let's see. Carlos, thanks so much for joining us today. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. It's absolutely gorgeous. We just got a 392 Wrangler I want to show y'all when he gets done. Thank you, Hanson and Atkins, for delivering trucks, cars, SUVs to us daily. Got over 300 vehicles pre-owned, a couple hundred new, so we got plenty of vehicles for you. We have Campbell Collision as well, a body shop that does excellent work, service department, parts, all of that. You can check us out at campbellcars.com. And if you have a specific question, hey, BB, oh, $449 in BB, that's not bad, not bad. I mean, I've seen worse. On TikTok, someone said $1080. I was like, goodness gracious. So yeah, that's awesome. BB, hell, shout out to BB. And thank you so much for Facebook and Meta for this actually working today. It's absolutely gorgeous. We hope you're going to have a great day today. If you have any questions about any of these vehicles that you see come off the truck, please message us here on Facebook. We have several that are incoming, so they're not necessarily tagged here, but they are available. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, 7800 Alcoa Road. We can also special order you something. We have transport trucks coming in and out 24/7. Okay, let's see. We have Fernando, Elmer. Thanks for joining us today. Let's see. Do you see the truck? Okay. I'm going to try to do this without messing up. Oh, cancel. Sorry. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. Yes. Thank you so much. Let us know where you're watching from today. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, 7800 Alcoa Road, right off the Interstate I-30. We got Dodge Challengers, 392 over there. I'm going to see if I can go show y'all what this is. It is a 6.4 liter V8 470 horsepower, 470 pounds of torque. A Hemi and a Jeep. Beautiful. Absolute Indigo blue, I believe. Thank you, Hanson and Atkins. Shout out to y'all. Grand Cherokee up there. The Grand Cherokee looks slick. What do y'all think? The black top, I think that looks so sharp. Again, I don't want to get in their way. We're out here, Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. 501-361-3803. Had some technical difficulties yesterday, so the film that we shot yesterday, we had to scrap. Sorry about that. We do have, oh, I think they took it into service already, so it's gone. We'll post on our Instagram. Check us out on our Instagram, Campbell Cars. So that 392 is going to be on our Instagram, okay? Again, out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. Thank you. Let me see if I can get stay out of the way. We'll go over here and say hi to Torin and Dustin, Alfred.
Oh gosh. Hey guys. Beautiful stuff coming in today.
Don't worry, you're not on camera, just sound.
Okay. Look at that Hellcat right in front of us. It's a red eye.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Nice.
Wide body, red eye.
Do you see that, y'all?
On charges, do they call them Destroyer or Smoke Show now?
I think, well, there's Smoke Show and there's Destroyer. They're two different colors. That's the Smoke Show.
Okay.
This is the Smoke
The
Show.
Destroyers, that's the Smoke Show, wide body, Hellcat, red-eyed Charger.
Do y'all hear that? So what is that? A 6.4 liter V8, blah, 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 with what?
No, that's the 6.2 supercharged
Oh,
V8.
supercharged, okay.
So that's the 787 horsepower.
787 horsepower.
787?
horsepower, essentially. My God. It's a whole lot of pee the pants right there.
We're live.
I know. That's why I kept
Okay.
it PG.
Can I roll around so I can show you?
Yeah.
So this is Torin.
Hey guys.
We absolutely love Torin. He's the best. And Dustin, Alfred, you see him in our commercial. And I know I'm going to get a lot of flack, but this place is 40 acres, y'all. We have over 300 pre-owned, 200 new. So come and see us. We're actually, who's the biggest Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram dealership in the state?
Oh, Campbell Chrysler for sure.
Who?
Campbell Chrysler. Right here. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, so we're going to stay on here for a little bit. I was going to go eat lunch, but I guess I'm not because that is a Hellcat red eye. I have never seen one. Have y'all? Comment below. Have you seen a Hellcat red eye? Let me know if you have. And we can forget about the gas prices. We can basically forget about asking about gas prices right now,
If
right?
you're buying that, you
Disconnected? Okay, no, we're back on. We're back on, everybody. Yay! Out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. We didn't know this was going to be a huge event because, wow, we want to see this. This is going to be amazing.
Because if that has, is that the Hemi or is it the 3.6?
I love the Grand Cherokee.
It's a
If it is,
I like that.
Summit Reserve. That's
I like that.
Dustin's got that one sold. That's a South Fork Edition Longhorn Ram. That thing's sweet.
Okay, we know it's a little bit loud. I can't wait till it comes off of the truck. So, y'all, we have a Dodge Hellcat red eye. I wish I would have tagged that. I didn't know. Again, Barrett, I hope you're out there. If you're out there, comment below. Can y'all check Facebook and see if there's any comments? Okay, Dustin's going to look up Facebook and see if he can comment on our live stream and help us out. Y'all tell us where you're watching from and have you ever seen a Dodge Hellcat red eye? I have not.
You on Campbell's page?
Huh?
You on Campbell's page?
Campbell, live. You see how it said live? Right there, click on that. All right, came across a Dodge Jeep Ram. We're Dustin and touring, but the most exciting news is we have these guys that can tell us about the Dodge Hellcat Red Eye that's fixing to come off here. And we were just thinking that this was a normal day, but I've never seen one of these, y'all. Tell us where you're watching from. How much is the gas where you're at? Someone said BB. We saw that on there. Someone said you're in BB. Yeah, nice. Look at this.
I wonder who that's sold to. We might as well just go and take that.
SRT Dodge Hellcat Red Eye. That doesn't happen every day.
There's like 3 comments and I can't read them.
That's okay. Yes, and a reminder, there is 40 some odd acres.
Wide body red eye needs to go to PDI.
We are going to go over on this other side and get out of their way so y'all can have a better look at it. Again, we're out here at Campbell Chrysler